Good evening, viewers. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Noble UK Academy. Before we delve into what we have here for today, still on trigonometry, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you stay true to this teaching or this lecture. Okay, like the video, comment, share the link with other students so they could learn with you as well. Okay, yeah, thank you. So what we have here is an exam-based question on trigonometry. It's a given that sine alpha is equal to a minus 1 all divided by x, and cos alpha is equal to 1 minus a over x. Then the equation said find tan x. Very simple to deal with. Solution. Okay, we know from our knowledge of trigonometry, we know that is from Pythagoras, that's under circle 12. We know that sine is equals to opposite over hypotenuse, and of course cos is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is equals to opposite over adjacent. And we cannot forget the fact that tan theta also, or tan theta or tan alpha, if you don't want to use theta, you can use alpha, is also equal to, from our knowledge of trig, is equal to sine theta or sine alpha over cos alpha. These were what we were taught at the basis. So from, if this holds, it then means that our sine alpha is equals to, what do we have from the equation? Sine alpha is equals to a minus 1 all over x. Then all divided by cos alpha. And from our equation, cos alpha is equals to 1 minus a all over x. So what we are having here now is what I call compound fraction. You can see this is a singular fraction, this is another fraction on its own, all in one place. So it's a compound fraction. So for me, I'm having a minus 1 all divided by x all over 1 minus a all over x. It will give me a minus 1, this a minus 1 over x divided, this division changes, you transpose it, you transform it, okay? You have reciprocal function of it. So the moment it is being transformed to multiplication, then your denominator goes up, your numerator comes down, okay? So that means we're gonna have x over 1 minus x over 1 minus a. You can see x is up here, x is down, so x cancel x. At the end of the day, we are left with 1 a minus 1 times, of course this one give us 1 x cancel itself 1. Okay, a minus 1 times 1 will give us a minus 1 all over 1 times 1 minus a. Okay, it gives us like this. Now when looking at this, you find out that what we are having here is almost the same. It's almost the same, but it's not the same. So we play an intelligent prank or trick on this. So how do you handle a situation like this? You can see what we're having here is a minus 1, then under is 1 minus a. So we can't say this one divide this, it's not possible because it's not the same. So we can only use intelligence to simplify this, or to resolve this, or to manipulate this. Okay, so what is the way out? It's for me to either make this one look like this one, or make this one look like this one. So the only way to actualize that is for me to say is equals to minus 1 into a minus 1 all over 1 minus a. So when looking at this now, we find out that if I multiply this negative 1 by the whole of this, it's gonna give me what I'm having down here. Yes, minus 1 times a will give me minus a. Minus 1 times minus 1 will give me plus 1. So that means that what we are having here is the same thing as what we are having. So this one cancels out. We are left with -1. So it now shows that, mind you, this is what we are resolving. It then shows that our tan, it is looking longer. It then means that our tan alpha is equals to -1. Yes, tan alpha is equals to -1. We don't stop here actually. Now, under normal situation, we know that from our spatial angles, trigonometric identities, we know that tan 45 degrees equals to 1. Okay, but here now we are having that tan is actually negative. What we're having here is -1, -1, meaning that our tan is negative. So this one has already given us clue on what the answer will look like. Okay, from our quadrants, so you have to consider quadrants. We found out that yes, let me draw a quadrant here. Okay, I remember when I was in secondary school, we are taught that this is the first quadrant. We call it first. Okay, here we call it all students takes Coca-Cola. So what this means is that all angle here is positive, meaning that your sine is positive, your cos is positive, your tan is equally positive. So coming here, this is our second quadrant, meaning that it is only, this S means sine, it is only sine alpha that is positive, all other ones are negative. Then this T here means tan alpha, it is only tan that is positive here. This one is positive, this one is positive. So it means that every other one they are negative. Then we come in here, we find out that it is only cos. This one means cos alpha is positive, other ones are negative. Now from what that implies is that for this place all angles are all positive. Okay, you find out here at this point it is only sine that is positive, meaning that our tan theta here, tan is negative, tan alpha is negative. Then coming here, tan, it is only cos that is positive, meaning that our tan here at this point is also negative. Now, okay, meaning that at this point, what the angle we are having here is 90. Of course, you can see this is a right angle triangle, 90. This is another 90, making it 180. At this level, we have 180 degree. At this level, we have 90 degree. Now, 180 plus 90, this level, we are having 270 degree. And then at this level, we are having 360 degree. Now, what does this imply? What implies is that from here, we've already known that tan alpha is equals to -1, meaning that tan is negative. But we know that tan 45 degrees equals to 1. But what we're having here is -1. So which means that for us to get our actual angle, the actual angle here is gonna be, where is the place where tan is negative? Tan is negative at 180 degrees. So it will be 180 degree minus 45 degree. And, or you say or, instead of using and, or, where is the point where tan is also negative? It is at this point. And what is the angle there? 360. That is 360 degree minus 45 degree. So this one minus this will give us 180 this. Okay. 5. This is 7. 3. That's 135. So this is 135 degree. And then 360 minus 45 degree. Here 5, this is 5, 1, so 3. Okay, so this one is 3, 1, 5. So these are what you are expected to get as your answer. So it is at these angles that your term will be negative 1. Alright, thank you for following through. I do hope this was able to satisfy your answer or your longing expectation. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That one is very important to me. Every other one is important to you. You are getting knowledge from me free of charge. Thank you.